In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Dropbox photos. If you've got a picture in your Dropbox that you no longer need, I'll walk you through the exact clicks to remove it safely and confidently. First, open your favorite web browser and sign into your Dropbox account. Once you're in, make sure you're on the main files page or in the specific folder where your photo is stored. If your library is large, the search bar at the top can help you find the exact file name quickly. You can also switch between list and grid view to make thumbnails easier to see, whichever helps you spot the right image faster. When you find the photo you want to delete, hover your mouse over it. On the right side of that photo, you'll see the three dots, sometimes called the More icon. Click that. A small menu will appear with several options related to that file. In that menu, select Delete. Dropbox adds a confirmation step so you don't accidentally remove something important, so a pop-up will appear asking if you really want to delete the file. Go ahead and click Delete on the confirmation pop-up. That's it. Your photo is now removed from your Dropbox. If you're on a touch device or a smaller screen, you'll still use that same three-dot More menu. Just tap it to bring up the Delete option, then Confirm. A couple of quick notes to keep you informed. If the photo lives inside a shared folder and you have permission to edit, deleting it may remove it for everyone who has access to that folder. If you only have view access, you won't be able to delete the file. Also, once you delete a photo from the web, the change will sync to the Dropbox app on your other devices, so the image will disappear there as well the next time they update. This is helpful for keeping your storage tidy and consistent across all your devices. To recap the process in plain terms, sign in on your browser, locate the photo, click the three dots next to it, choose Delete, and confirm in the pop-up. With those simple clicks, your photo is deleted and you can move on knowing your Dropbox is a little cleaner. If this walkthrough helped you, feel free to like the video, subscribe for more quick how-tos, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.